We didn't have the mic, I just realized. That's okay. So what are some strategies to help people when they're speaking and they may lose their voice halfway through? What could you do preventively? One is hydrate, hydrate, hydrate with water. Do you notice you go... As long as it's not a long speech. That's true. Just go to the bathroom before the speech starts. Okay? So hydrate is one thing. When you go to convention centers, they always give you ice water. Ice water is not what you should have. You should have room temperature water. Ice water tightens up the muscles. It contracts. Just like when cold, things contract. The muscles contract. Have warm, room temperature water available for the speaker. Not the pitcher of ice that you see in every convention center I ever go to. Right? Water. Could be tea. Don't drink milk products. They coat your throat. Some people say that's not true. I don't care. It coats my throat. Right? You had pizza here. There's no way I would touch tomato sauce before I spoke. Because I have to clear my throat a lot if I have cheese or tomato sauce. So stay away from milk products. Have lozenges available. Have something available if they're really coughing that they can put it in their mouth. So they may have something in their mouth, but at least they're not coughing. So those are some of the strategies. If your mouth gets dry when you're speaking and you feel, because that's part of the adrenaline, gently bite on the sides of your tongue. And when you do that, it releases some more saliva. So if you feel your mouth is so dry and you don't have water and your tongue is sticking to your palate, well, with the roof of your mouth, gently bite, not so hard to draw blood, but enough to draw saliva. Right? So there are a lot of tips you can do with diet and what you eat before you speak.